Go. See, Sister Naja Sifa Nurul Ilham, the great change is coming to you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahi wa kafa. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulihi mustafa wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man ihtada amma ba'du. Your Excellency, our beloved Father Kiai Al-Haj Imam Jazuli Al-CMA, his wife Umi Haja Malika Lulu Aspasi, and his family, may Allah always bless you all. Amin. Respectable all of Asatid, Asatizah, and guiders whom I really respect. Honorable Mr. Wartono as the Director of English Program Bina Insan Mulia, Mr. Al, Miss Siska, Miss Aisyah, and Miss Lala as the teachers of English Program Bina Insan Mulia. And unforgettable, all of my lovely friends and all of the great audiences in this graduation event. May Allah always protect you and give you easiness. Amin. First of all, praises and blessings may always be given unto Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, the one and only God of human being, the one and only God of kindness and happiness, and the one and only God who has given us some mercies and blessings till we are still alive for enjoying thousands of prizes of life. Also, we can attend in this event in health condition and happy situation. Secondly, peace and salutation may always be given unto our great Prophet Muhammad SAW, who has guided us from the darkness to the brightness, from the stupidity to the cleverness, also who has brought us from the Jahiliyah era to the Golden Islamia era, from the Camel era to the Lamborghini era, and from the Barefoot era to the Swallow era, till we know which one is good and which one is bad. And I don't forget to say thank you very much to the great and sweet the master of ceremony in this great event, who has given me opportunity to stand and deliver some beautiful word in front of you. In this wonderful, cheerful, and meaningful night, I'm standing in front of you all. I'm gonna tell you something important, something motivates us, and something can change our future. Do you know what's that? I will tell you guys, but wait, before I jump to the other words, let me ask you, have you known me? Cause I ever heard a beautiful word, it says, tak kenal maka tak sayang. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Neldia Syifa Nur Ilham. It's enough for you to call me Echa. And I'm as the representative of Family Graduate of English Program. We know that English is one important thing in this world, especially for us. As the neck holder and handler of this beautiful world, who will change and shake this world, we must be able to speak English fluently, because English is the main language in this world, so that everyone needs English, and that's one of my purpose to study English. At the first, I think English is a difficult language. Maybe some of you thought this too, but you know, I found many differences since I joined English program in Bina Insan Mulia. Let me tell you about my little experiences during joining English program at Bina Insan Mulia. We studied 4 lessons with 5 great, handsome, beautiful, and sweet teachers. They are Mr. Wartono as the new concept teacher, Mr. Al as the speaking teacher, Miss Rizka as the grammar teacher, Miss Aisyah as the vocabulary teacher, and Miss Lala as the teacher of Class E. Day by day, we work on the lesson happily, but slowly we are little confused by grammar. You know, only in grammar we found six tenses, modal auxiliary, passive voice, no and any, and others. But it's not a big worry. Miss Rizka taught us patiently while we are too slow to understand what she said and what she talked about. But because of her struggle in teaching us, now we understand grammar well. And when the speaking lesson, we are forced to be brave for practicing. As always, Mr. Al as the speaking teacher, choose one by one of us for explaining the materials. Family tree, introduction, direction, and others. He said, "You, what's your name?" "Yeah," said you. "Come on, answer my question." "Oh my God, I swear, we had got attacked when his lesson. So, thanks for Mr. Al for your good question which make our heart is beating up. Also, new concept is my favorite lesson. Why? Do you know? Because Mr. Wartono is a funny person. He always stories about everything and make our mood up. Sometimes, when we feel down, they always give us many spirit. They said, if you can come to us for studying. Never give up, cause a success person, it will be started by failure. They always advise us and remind us. They said, you are tired, and also what we feel. We're more exhausted than you. You are not alone. To be honest, it's wake me up. How I can be a warning person? Well, there are many people sacrifice their time for making us understand about English. Maybe that's all experiences I have story to you can be a motivation for me, for my beloved friends, and for all of you. Remember, don't be lazy for studying even you don't like the lesson, because soon it will be useful for us. Mr. Al even told us, if you want to understand what we study, just try to love it. So, from this word, we can take that we must love what we do and what we study. So, let's love English, believe in yourself, that English is as easy as a piece of cake. And word by word, maybe that's all I can tell you on this pretty night. I do apologize for my every single mistake, cause I'm a human and I'm not perfect. Thanks for your big attention, and remember, your future is a blank paper. You have to color it from now. So later, you will find the color of your future. I am Echa. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.